How to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Make sure your video clip is placed on a timeline before moving forward. Next, right-click on the empty timeline area and then choose Add Subtitle Track. This will create a new track dedicated to subtitles right above your main video track. Now, move the playhead to the point in the video where you want the subtitle to appear. Click on the subtitle track and choose Create Caption under the Inspector tab in the top right corner. A subtitle box will appear on the track. Here you can type your subtitle text and adjust the font, size, color, and position to match your video style under the track tab. To extend or shorten the subtitle duration, simply drag the edges of the subtitle box in the timeline. You can add more subtitles by clicking Add New at different position in your video under the Caption section. If you want to import a subtitle file, go to File, then Import and select Subtitle File. DaVinci Resolve supports common formats like SRT, XML, and more. After finishing all your subtitles, review them carefully by playing back the video. Make sure the timing is accurate and the text is easy to read. Finally, when you are ready to export a video, go to the Deliver page. Under Subtitle Settings, choose whether you want to embed the subtitles into the video or export them as a separate file. And that's it. Now you know how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.